I'm Pippa and I lead the field marketing team for Northern Europe. So what is included in Northern Europe, I like to say it's all the cold countries in winter. So we have UK and Ireland, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and a spattering of others in there as well. So quite a big region to cover and a lot of creativity as a lot of different cultures as well that we work in.
Hello, I'm Annika. This is Telemundo, and we're looking after regional field marketing in our German-speaking countries, the DACH region, which is one of our absolute growth regions at Mews. We love this team, which of course Pippa didn't tell us to say that. I just wanted to jump in and say that this is a real opportunity to help us level up what we deliver in a smart and impactful way, and we have a lot of fun doing it. So we are on the lookout for the very best because we're the most ambitious team at Mews. If you're ready to bring in a fresh perspective, launch new projects, and see your vision make a real impact in the market, then this could be the right place for you. We welcome ambition, creativity, and the desire to grow, and boldness. If you're passionate about marketing and motivated to drive meaningful change in hospitality tech, we'd love to hear from you.
Hi, my name is Julie and I look after our Benelux and Nordics region here at Mews, and I love this team because you have the freedom to not only bring your craziest event ideas to real life, but you can truly do it from anywhere, as you can see. Our field marketing team is super open to new ideas. Every project is a real chance to try something different and to make an impact. There's always room to be creative and to ask, what if we did this? If you're curious and you want to see your ideas turn into real life and real results, this is the place to do it. And we can't wait to hear your perspective and explore what's possible together.
We're a small but mighty team full of very strategic people that find the best way to turn our global brand and product offerings and potentially activations that we're doing in the wider marketing team and make them work and come to life in local ways that make sense for local communities, different types of cultures, and within the region. So that's what my amazing team does. We work closely with the sales team, really closely. We kind of talk to them on a daily basis. We work with partnerships and also the creative team here at Mews. Second to none creative team. If you've seen anything we put out, you'll know that's true. So it's a fun team to work with. And then we work on lots of events, webinars. We do things with local magazines. We really try and find creative ways of using our budget that will enable us to get in front of new audiences, but also help kind of reinforce Mews as a brand to some existing people that we're trying to talk to, hoteliers. Our approach within each region, we kind of find what works and we do that. So it is quite bespoke in some cases. Some things we find work well in all regions and we try and figure out a playbook and how we can do that. But a lot of what we do is experimentation, which is where a GenMews grad would come in. So your role, if you were to join us, you will jump right into researching where have we not tapped into yet? What are we not doing within those regions or within those countries? We'll figure out based on where you are in the world and what you know, which region you might be able to support best. But within that region, I would love someone to come in and figure out the data points we should be looking at. What have we got what research we need doing, what's missing, and then run some experiments. Now, these experiments can be anything that your imagination can put together, and we can work on a budget and a business case for each one. But essentially, it could be some sort of new event that we try, some sort of digital or online marketing we do, could be social media. So really the world is your oyster in this role. And what I really want to get out of the time with the GenMews grad is some new innovative ideas that we can implement as a team, as a whole going forward. So that's what I'm looking for. Culture-wise, our team is super collaborative, very curious. I would say we're also cheerleaders a little bit. You might guess that from my energy, but we have to encourage local teams and support them, and the whole field marketing communications team that you would be sitting in just support each other in such a wonderful way. I am so excited, as is the team, to have a Mews grad join us, because the curiosity that can bring and the adventures we'll go on with the experiments can really kickstart something fundamental and maybe help us change the game in a region. So it's really important for us to try new things, and we're looking for some fresh ideas and fresh look in order to do that. And I feel like if you've got it this far and you've made it to the GenMews program, that you are the person we want on our team. Hopefully I've inspired you, and we have a team around us that can develop your skills and have a look at anything from data to collaboration to project management, and then how to create amazing experiences for guests. So really you kind of cover everything in field marketing, and you learn loads of new skills. If you love to experiment, want to make a big impact and thrive on variety, come and join us. We can't wait to see what you will bring. See you soon.